Things Jamaicans randomly tell you to keep you humble.
What sweet you going sour you? High seed kill me stomach post. Curiosity kills the cat. Oh, yes enough. You must is salt. If I egg you in the red. Fire there you must tell him think a cool breeze, yeah? Then how you so happy? Chicken Mary heart then here. When you think it's peace and safety, it is a sudden destruction. What sweet nanny go to go run in belly. Show off, bring disgrace. Some man plan so God white. Today for you, tomorrow for me. Oh, Sister Peaches, you look nice, man. Your beard, your face, it have a nice oval shape, you know, and that's good because you see your ears them kind of cock off. Pride go wet before a fall. No, me dear, self-praise is no recommendation because Dr. Junker saying pitney pretty. Humble you have something most milk. Scornful dog nyam dirty pudding. That's good that you're going in the unknown. Rockstone a river bottom the no say so not. Oh, you resigned from your old job. Well, no dash will stick before you done cross the river, you hear? Bossy and fast, this make a Nancy have to turn a house top. Okay, that's good. You're building up your portfolio and making everything secure. Well, cotton tree fall down and ram goat jump over it same way. Feast today and famine tomorrow. So you trust those friends that you have because you see everything that they do and what they say and such delights. Full drink water but you know pee.